Said I need a real one. Tired of the cake and the silicone. Said I need a real one. Forget perfection, I love bumpy roads. Said I need a real one.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Elena Vibes, and in today's video I will be featuring another wig from Fashion Plus store. I know you guys have been seeing the whole craze and hype over headband wigs, but you guys, the hype is real. There's a reason for it, okay? These wigs are so convenient, but from Fashion Plus store you always get quality hair, okay? This video was sponsored by Fashion Plus, so thank you guys so much for reaching out and sending me this wig to review. I absolutely love the quality. Again, I enjoy working with you guys because the quality of your hair is just top notch, super amazing. Your shipping is fast, you guys. If you want to check them out, they are on Amazon. I will be showing you guys this 20-inch water wave human hair headband wig that came with 5 free gifts, so stay tuned so you can find out what the 5 free gifts are. And there is a coupon right now going on Amazon for these wigs, so you don't want to miss out. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't joined the Vibes family already. What are you waiting for, girl? Did you subscribe yet? I'm gonna give you like 5 seconds to just go ahead and click the little subscribe button and then turn on your post notification bell. You hit the subscribe button, right? Okay, good. Now that I have the wig installed, which was really easy, all I had to do to install this wig was attach the 2 Velcro straps. I didn't even have to use the adjustable straps. My head is big. I say this in every single video because I have to emphasize that my head circumference is like a 24-inch. You know, the average is 22-inch as far as wig cap sizes go. That's a whole nother story. So I did not need to use the adjustable straps, but it comes with the Velcro straps, which is what the headband part is, and it was a perfect fit for me. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like on Amazon, and then we're going to go ahead and play around with this hair, and I'm going to show you what else this wig comes with because it does come with 5 free gifts. This is currently what the front page or main page for this wig is. This is what it is. So down in my description below, I will have the direct link, so you can just click on it and it'll take you directly to this wig and you can check it out. There are different lengths available. The one that I received is a 20-inch wig, and the texture or the hair pattern, the curl pattern, is considered water wave. This hair is 100% virgin human hair, so you can bleach it, you can dye it, you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do whatever you want to this wig. The density is 150%. I love the fact that it is just nice and full, like the perfect thickness from the root, from the cap all the way to the ends. Like the ends of this aren't thin at all. As you can see, it's just nice and full. So putting this in a ponytail, half up, half down, if you decide to straighten it, it's not just gonna look all thin and stringy. Like, it's still gonna have some like body and life to it, okay? Currently, this length on the Fashion Plus store is $94.72. So right now they have a coupon, save an extra $5. All you have to do is check that little green box right there and when you go to checkout, it will take off automatically $5 off of whatever length you get at the Fashion Plus store for this wig. Okay, so don't miss out. Don't say I didn't tell you. This wig is available in 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and 26 inches currently. Shipping was super fast. I got my wig in about 2 days. Of course, I have Amazon Prime, but I'm sure even without Amazon Prime, their shipping is just really fast and their customer service is amazing. With these headband wigs, you can wear it like this, where all of your natural hair is covered, or you can go ahead and slick your own baby hairs down, you know, do some cute little swoops, however you like your baby hairs, or your hairline period. If you want your hairline to show, just slide it back and have your hairline show, you guys, and it'll look even more natural. The reason why I do not have my baby hairs out is because my hair is currently in full cornrows, going straight back, every last piece of hair, because I had a lot of hair promo to do and I just could not deal with my baby hairs being out right now. But I highly recommend trying it that way, and I will as well. This wig comes with 5 free gifts. Okay, so those free gifts are, drum roll please, with this wig, or with these wigs on Fashion Plus store, they gift you automatically for the free 5 free headbands, y'all. So this is the first one. It's like a cute little off-white floral design, and this is silky, and then the back is stretchy. And then we have this one. This one's really cute. It's like a denim headband. And then we have this headband. This is red with some cute floral designs going around it. And this is like a silky material as well, like a silky satin type of material. On the front of this one, I get like a nude beige flowers or whatnot, and then on the front of this one, I get hot pink flowers. So I was putting this headband on, and then like I stopped like midway before like fixing it, and I was like, this is like that cute little bohemian style, you know what I'm saying? Like this is cute. This is the denim headband. So I'm just gonna fix it now, and like I said, this would be 10 million times cuter with your natural hairline showing if you choose. It's completely up to you. Y'all, this hair does not tangle. Like, my fingers run right through it, as you see. Look at that. That's good quality hair, okay? So, and again, these headbands are big head friendly. They're very stretchy actually, so I'm happy about that. And then basically I would just fold this part of the headband back, but I just want to show y'all real quick because this is so cute. So this is the denim headband they sent me. Yes, and of course with all curly hair, once you get it, once it's in the packaging for a long time, they're shipping and all that, you know, it kind of gets a little mushed together, like the curls. Just like with natural hair, if you sleep, you put your head back, your curls kind of get flattened. So all you gotta do is take a little spray bottle with some water, just spray it real quick, and you are good to go. I didn't even make it like fully wet. I didn't apply any products, so just imagine with some products applied, you can really define the curls. You can define the curls even more. But this is its natural water wave texture, which I think is so pretty, y'all. So just sprayed it real quick. I used a wide tooth comb, and then I used my Denman brush a little bit. But I love this. You can like flip it to the side. You can put this in a ponytail. You can put it in a ponytail. How cute is that? Little ponytail. You can put it in a bun. Just picture it in a bun, y'all. You can put it in a cute little bun. Okay. And again, don't mind this headband back here. Like, when I'm really gonna wear these headbands, I will just fold the one underneath in half, push it back a little bit more, and situate this so that black one does not show at all. But how cute is this? And then you can do it in like a little bun at the top. Like, you could just play around with this however you want. You can play around with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the back real quick. So Fashion Plus, they send their hair and their wigs and their bundles, they send them in these cute little pouches, and it's a zipper pouch. So I really like that because you can always store your hair whenever you're not wearing it. And then they have the little label at the bottom that describes what wig or what bundles or what hair it is exactly, so your hair will always be organized and safe. And if you gotta travel with your wig or your bundles. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to check out Fashion Plus store on Amazon. The link to this exact wig will be down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe to the Vibes family. Hit that post notification bell so you know the next time I got another video dropping. And don't forget to comment down below if you have some ideas, some suggestions on some videos that you want me to do, that you would like to see from me. Go ahead and drop those suggestions down below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, you guys. It is linked down below, my Instagram, or you can just go ahead and follow me. I'll drop my username right here. It's @_ElenaVibes. Thank you again for watching and supporting my YouTube journey, and I will see you guys in the next video.
You in my phone.